what are the mechanisms in terms of civilian protection, especially in Gaza, and when you look into the Ukraine-Russia war, places of Kyiv and Kherson, are there specific mechanisms to sort of evacuate, given that in Israel-Palestine war, we are having hospitals being bombed? So the people down there at the pyramid, how are they protected when it comes to international humanitarian law?
Well, the international law or the international legal framework does provide for instruments which ensure that persons who are not participating in conflict, and these are known as non-combatants, are protected vis-a-vis the combatants who are the parties. So you have the 1949 Geneva Convention relating to the status of civilians. This convention does protect civilians during conflict, and it provides that civilians cannot be targets. You cannot target a residential area which you know is inhabited by civilians, and therefore civilians are supposed to be protected during armed conflict. So therefore, international law does provide for instruments which ensure that civilians are protected. And where you attack civilians during armed conflict, then you commit a war crime. And that is an international crime. And war crimes are prohibited by various statutes, including the Rome Statute. The Rome Statute does have jurisdiction over international crimes, including war crimes.